Okay, so today I bought the new Givi windscreen for my G310 GS. I'll be installing it here, so stay tuned for the installation. The quality is really good. It's solid, super solid, really big as well. So it's better for the wind protection. I'll show it to you in a second. So here is the windscreen, Givi windscreen. You can see it's really premium quality, very fine. By the way, I bought this from SSB Motorrad from Thailand, Bangkok. Really nice, very sturdy. So I'm going to install it right now and you can check it out. So after you take out this, when you turn the back side, you get these small knobs. You can take these out, just pluck it out. It looks like this, and you can use this for your Givi windscreen. Just put it here. It's very simple. You just take this stuff out from the rubber like this. You put the rubber inside there, and you put this behind it. As you can see, I've installed the rubber and whatever that thing is. See, there's that at the back, and these things you can get it from the OEM windscreen. So now I'll install it in my bike. Alright guys, so I've installed the Givi windscreen, and it seems like you have to know exactly know that the knob that's below, you have to keep it below, and these you have to keep it on top only, because when I was installing this, I put the top ones below and the below ones top, and it was shaking a lot. But I found out that after I changed it, because I knew these were below because I had marked it. As you can see, there is some plasticky inside, the white plasticky, whereas these don't have. So I know that these are the below knobs, screws, I mean to say. So I put these below, and now it's super steady, yeah. And also I also installed the Wunderlich hand guards. These are clear hand guards. I bought these from Wunderlich. Sadly enough, these are brand new, but they kind of sent me some scratched ones. You can't really see it properly because it's clear, but the scratches are pretty hard. So this is how it looks. So as of right now, I'm just gonna talk about this, the windscreen, but there's gonna be a video coming very soon how I install these. And I also installed these. I got these from SSB Motorrad, and also the windscreen from SSB Motorrad.